There are 12 months in 1 year. Let's talk about the months of the year. Let's count the months. Let's say them together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in 1 year. In Japan, winter is December, January, and February. Spring is March, April, and May. Summer is June, July, and August. Lastly, autumn is September, October, and November. Different months have different number of days. Some months have 31 days. Some months have 30 days. But February is very special. February is the shortest month of the year. February has 28 days. Now, let's look at famous holidays. New Year's Day is in January. Valentine's Day is in February. Halloween is in October, and Christmas is in December. These are very famous holidays all around the world. But Valentine's Day and Halloween are not holidays in some countries. In Japan, Valentine's Day and Halloween are not holidays. New Year's and Christmas are holidays in Japan. Let's look at our months one more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, listen carefully. Which month comes after March? April. April comes after March. Which month comes before October? September. September comes before October. Which month is the shortest month of the year? February. February is the shortest month of the year. Which season is July in Japan? Summer. In Japan, summer is in July. Which season is March in Japan? Spring. March is in spring in Japan. Which season is January in Japan? Winter. It's winter in January in Japan. And which season is September in Japan? It's autumn in September in Japan. Today, we talked about the months of the year, the seasons of the year, and the holidays in the year. See you soon. Bye.